Hello and welcome to the CodeHS prep course, designed to assist educators like yourself in preparing for the Praxis computer science exam. I'm TJ Devane, a seasoned computer science educator and one of your instructors for the CodeHS Praxis prep course. We understand the diverse backgrounds of educators, some new to computer science, while others bring years of experience. Regardless of where you stand, our goal is to support you in mastering the content tested on the Praxis exam. Our prep course is crafted to cover 100% of the competencies assessed on the Praxis exam. You'll engage in a variety of resources, including instructional videos, sample programs, hands-on exercises, and simulations, all conveniently accessible through our web-based platform. There is no need to worry about downloading external software or IDEs. Throughout the course, you'll have ample opportunities to gauge your understanding in short quizzes and auto-graded exercises. Additionally, you'll benefit from personalized support from experienced computer science professionals, including one-on-one assistance from our dedicated professional development team. We estimate that completing the course will require approximately 55 hours of your time, but you'll have the flexibility to progress at your own pace. To help you stay on track, we'll also provide a pacing guide tailored to your timeline and goals. Whether you're aiming to pass the Praxis computer science exam or simply seeking to strengthen your skills, this course is designed to meet your needs. Join us, and let's dive into this learning adventure.